top 10 scientific secrets about bees that scare scientists. 1. Bees can be trained to detect human diseases. Bees can detect diseases like cancer, tuberculosis, and even COVID-19 by smell. They are trained to extend their tongue when they sense specific chemical odors produced by sick cells, just like sniffer dogs, but at a microscopic Lexpires 2. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists discovered jars of honey over 3,000 years old in Egyptian tombs that were still perfectly edible. Honey's low moisture, high acidity, and natural hydrogen peroxide prevent bacteria from growing, making it one of the few foods that truly never expires. 3. Bees can do basic mathematics. Bees can count up to 4, understand the concept of zero, and even solve simple addition and subtraction tasks. Scientists trained bees using sugar rewards, and they consistently gave correct answers. This discovery proved that advanced thinking does not require a large brain. 4. Every bee has a unique personality. Within the same hive, some bees are bold explorers, others are cautious workers, while some specialize in defense. These personality differences affect how the hive gathers food, protects itself, and survives environmental threats. 5. Bees communicate. Using the waggle dance. Bees use a sophisticated dance language called the waggle dance to tell other bees exactly where food is located. The angle of the dance shows direction, the length of the waggle shows distance, and the speed shows quality. This is one of the most precise non-human communication systems ever discovered. 6. Bees can recognize human faces. Bees don't just see shapes and colors, they recognize human faces using the same type of visual processing humans use. Scientists discovered that bees memorize the position of eyes, nose, and mouth to identify individuals. This ability helps them remember friendly handlers and avoid repeated threats. For such a tiny brain, this level of intelligence shocked researchers worldwide. 7. Bees use heat as a weapon. When giant hornets attack, bees form a tight ball around the enemy and vibrate their muscles to raise the temperature to about 46 degrees Celsius. The hornet dies from heat stress while the bees survive because they tolerate higher temperatures. 8. A single bee's lifetime work is only a drop of honey. One worker bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in her entire lifetime. To make just one jar of honey, thousands of bees must work together and visit millions of flowers. 9. The queen rules through scent, not force. The queen bee controls the entire hive using powerful pheromones that regulate reproduction, behavior, and unity. If the queen disappears, the hive becomes disorganized within hours. 10. Bees navigate. Using the sun, Earth's magnetism, and polarized light, bees use the sun as a compass, detect Earth's magnetic field, and even read polarized light patterns in the sky. This allows them to travel long distances and still return to their exact hive location with incredible accuracy. Beyond their intelligence, bees also play a critical role in medicine, climate stability, and biodiversity. Scientists now study bee behavior to improve robotics, artificial intelligence, and environmental monitoring systems. The efficiency of a bee colony inspires modern logistics and swarm robotics. Their ability to make collective decisions without a leader issuing commands is one of the most advanced examples of natural democracy on Earth. Sadly, bees are under serious threat from pesticides, habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. Every year, millions of colonies collapse worldwide. Protecting bees means planting flowers, reducing chemical use, preserving natural habitats, and supporting responsible beekeeping. When you protect a bee, you protect your food, your environment, and future generations. In the quiet flight of a single bee lies the strength of agriculture, medicine, and entire ecosystems. What looks small is actually one of the greatest forces sustaining life on our planet. Bees remind us that even the smallest life holds power. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.